this is Khushi.
And Jia.
Today we are going to make a easy, simple, tasty and quick Oreo chocolate ice cream. So let's
Get started.
Today we are going to make Oreo chocolate ice cream for 8 people.
For ingredients, we will need Oreo packets
Milk
and Oreo crumbs.
and 8 candy sticks because we are making it for 8 people.
Done.
We have done 5 packets. To show you all, we'll do the 6th packet also. Now I'll show you how to open the packet. Take the scissor and open the packet from the top. And then you have to put the Oreo biscuits inside the bowl. Be careful, you don't have to break the packet, you only have to open the packet from the top, not from anywhere else.
Small piece.
Now you have to make small pieces of the Oreo biscuit.
Done.
In the mixture pot, you have to put little Oreo pieces. I have put this much Oreo pieces. Now I'll grind it. This is how the crumb has to look. And then put it into a bowl. Now repeat the same step until all the Oreo biscuits are crushed. Now there are 6 packets, and so you have to take 4 packets of milk and measure and put the milk in the packet. Pour the exact measurement of the Oreo biscuit packet, and then you have to put it in the mixture pot. And you have to do this, the same step, 4 times. Now you have to put all the Oreo pieces, or the Oreo crush, in the mixture pot. And now you have to churn it once. The consistency has to be like this. And now pour it into the Oreo packets, and you have to place the Oreo packets in the glass. This is how you have to pour in all the packets. Now you have to put these in the fridge. Refrigerator, not in the fridge, in the refrigerator. So you have to put all the glass in the refrigerator, and you have to let it set for 2 hours. And after 2 hours, we have to put the ice cream sticks in each of the glass. Now 2 hours are completed, so we'll put the candy sticks now. And you have to put the candy stick till down, it should touch. But don't press it so hard, you have to do it with your soft hands, softly you have to press it inside. See, like this. Now the candy sticks are put. So now we'll again keep these glasses in the refrigerator, and we will make it rest for 8 to 9 hours. So you have to put again these glasses in the refrigerator and you have to make it rest for 8 to 9 hours. And then your ice cream will be ready. So let's put these glasses again into the refrigerator. Remember to put it in the refrigerator, not in the down part. To put it in the upper compartment, the refrigerator. The freezer, you have to put it in the freezer. Okay, so you have to put it in the refrigerator but in the freezer. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe, comment below if the option is given, and give us more and more likes and share this video to as many people as possible. Thank you. Bye.